All right, bring it back. Hold it steady. Pull it, pull it. Stand clear. Get back. Move them out.
Platforms 2 and 3, maintain current velocity. Confirmed, velocity steady.
Records look good on this one.
Securing the equipment now. Bring him forward slowly. Opening the gate.
Look at the texture here. It seems slightly softer than normal.
I agree. Let's take a closer look at the skin underneath.
Keep moving forward. Watch the gate on the right. Go on now. slight variation in the grain here. Yes, it won't meet specifications. Noted. Moving to the next sheet.
Brushing pressure on line 3 is stabilizing.
Check the vibration dampeners listed here, they look off.
Copy that. Adjusting dampener settings now.
This whole section is damaged. Pull it. Right, I got the next one.
Move the light slightly to the left. See that grain? It's exactly what we wanted.
This pallet scan shows a discrepancy.
Yeah.
The tablet confirms it. Check the incoming shipment against the manifest. It's short by 10 units.
Check the moisture levels on that bundle. Levels are stable, moving it through.
The supervisors overseeing massive warehouse operations from elevated glass control rooms above endless industrial storage halls, under the glare of the floodlights, the real work begins. Sealing these shipments requires precision and speed to meet the morning deadlines. A massive horn processing hall activates. Giant machines power on as the camera pushes into the enormous chamber, sparks flickering through the darkness. Efficiency is paramount here. The team sorts thousands of horns a day, a relentless pace dictated by the moving line. The industrial heartland pulses. Raw horns are drawn inexorably toward the cleansing fires of the washing chambers, deep within the steel tunnels. Bright industrial spotlights revealing the rough textures and massive size of giant horn piles inside a dark warehouse chamber. Cinematic realism. These powerful industrial water jets blast the giant horns, an essential step in maintaining the high standards required for these components. Utilizing powerful rotating brushes, this system scrubs the giant horn surfaces clean, deep within the steam-filled factory chamber.
This batch looks good. The polish is consistent across the surface.
What about this spot right here?
Yeah, minor imperfection, but it still passes grade A inspection.
Yeah.
Clean, polished horns moving deeper into giant industrial corridors toward the cutting chambers. The conveyor systems move through long, massive industrial saw blades spinning at high speed, while giant horns move toward the cutting stations inside a dark metallic factory hall. Sharp mechanical cutting blades slicing through giant horns with explosive precision inside an industrial processing chamber. The freshly cut horn sections move rapidly down the conveyor, requiring the team to maintain a relentless pace. Endless rows of shaped horn pieces moving through giant production lines toward the polishing department. Cinematic realism, glowing industrial lights. Giant polishing wheels rubbing rough horn surfaces inside a dark industrial polishing chamber. Cinematic realism, glowing sparks and dust particles.
An immersive look into the heart of the factory, where skilled hands and powerful machines shape raw metal into precision instruments. The polishing process reveals the horn's true potential. Bright industrial lights reflect across the newly smoothed surfaces, creating workers carefully inspecting polished horn surfaces beneath glowing industrial spotlights inside the finishing hall. Cinematic documentary realism. Inside the chamber, massive polishing machines transform raw metal into surfaces of unparalleled gloss, showcasing a fusion of
where industrial precision meets artistic elegance. This is the sound of luxury.
Back it up slowly, watch the clearance. Got it, guiding you in. Next pallet, ready to go.
A grand industrial scale. From this factory, finished leather and polished horns embark on a global journey, shipping around the world.